Hi everybody, it's Adam.
Hi there, it's Mr. Elephant here.
And we're here today to teach you a word, but it's not on our list.
Wait a minute, can you do that?
I can, because it's a very important word, and it's the word how.
How? What do you mean, how?
Well, how is a form of a question, and we can ask, how many? Or, how are you? Or, hey, how did that happen? So how helps ask a question. Do you want to practice?
I can practice.
Okay, let's practice. When I do a greeting, I can say, hi, how are you?
Oh, I'm fine. I'm having a good trunk day.
A good trunk day, what do you mean?
Uh, it just means I don't have any colds and everything is...
Oh, you're breathing good, so you're feeling really healthy. So you're feeling pretty happy and healthy.
You got it, happy and healthy. Ho 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 ho.
Okay, so when I say, how are you? It can be like, okay, I'm feeling good, I'm feeling healthy, and I'm feeling happy.
Yep.
Okay, how about this one? How many pencils do I have?
Another question?
Yep, how asks another question, and I am holding up some pencils. Do you want to count them?
I can count.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're right. There are 5 pencils that I have here, and that is how many we have. Good job. You answered another question of how. We'll do one more. It's how did you do that? That is a question of something somebody may do where you're so confused. You're like, wait a minute. That's crazy. Do you want to see the trick?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to shake my cheeks like a dog, and it's going to make a really silly sound. Are you ready?
Uh-huh. How did you do that?
I don't know. I can shake my face so fast that my lips all go shaky, and they make a silly noise. Do you want to try?
Whoa, 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 whoa. It doesn't work.
I know, but for me, it works.
How did it happen?
Perfect use of how. It asks the question, and then we can try to figure it out. So you've thought about how are you? You've thought about how many? And you've thought about how did you do that? Nice work. You are learning more about the core word how.
Okay, bye everybody.
All right. Bye, everybody. Have a great day.